I turned an old bedsheet into a beautiful home cover. Don't throw away your old bedsheets just yet. Today, I'm taking this old bedsheet and turning it into a beautiful and useful home cover. It's simple, affordable, and you can make it at home with basic sewing supplies. Let's see how this old fabric turns into something completely new. Here's the old bedsheet I'm going to reuse. First, I'm washing and drying the fabric to make sure it's clean. Then I'm giving it a good press so there are no wrinkles. A smooth piece of fabric is much easier to measure, cut, and sew. Now that the fabric is ready, let's start the transformation. Before cutting, I'm measuring the area where I want the cover to fit. I'm marking the measurements carefully and leaving some extra fabric around the edges for the seams. Always double-check your measurements before you cut. Once everything is marked, we're ready to cut. Now I'm carefully cutting along the marked lines. I'm keeping the scissors straight and taking my time to create clean edges. And look at the difference already. The old bedsheet is starting to look like a proper piece of fabric for a new project. Don't throw away the leftover scraps. They can be saved for smaller DIY projects later. Next, I'm preparing the edges. I'm folding the fabric inward to create a neat finish. This will make the edges look cleaner and help keep the fabric from fraying. I'm pressing and securing the folds before sewing. These little finishing touches can make a handmade project look much more polished. Now it's time to sew. I'm slowly stitching along the folded edges and keeping the fabric straight as I go. There's something really satisfying about watching a flat piece of fabric slowly turn into something useful. If you're a beginner, don't worry if your stitches aren't perfect. Now I'm checking the stitching and corners. I'm trimming any loose threads and making sure there are no gaps in the seams. I'm also checking that the corners are sitting nicely. This quick check gives the finished cover a cleaner and more professional look. Before putting the cover into place, I'm giving it one final press. This smooths out the fabric and helps the seams sit nicely. And honestly, look at this transformation. It's hard to believe that this started as an old bedsheet. Now, let's put the new cover into place. I'm adjusting the corners and smoothing out the fabric. And here it is. Our old bedsheet has officially become a brand new home cover. I love how simple and clean it looks. And the best part is that we reused fabric we already had instead of buying something new. So before you throw away an old bedsheet, take a second look at it. With a little creativity, old fabric can become something beautiful and useful. If you enjoyed this DIY transformation, subscribe for more easy upcycling ideas. And tell me in the comments, what should I make from an old bedsheet next? Thanks for watching.